Welcome to the ET322 how-to video for the BJT Class A Amplifier Lab. Alright, let's zoom in. And what I'm going to do now is we're going to adjust this resistor and we're going to create a voltage divider which is going to provide our bias. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn it on and we're looking for a voltage on our collector to emitter. So let's go ahead and start adjusting it. So key A, let's go up, which is making it go down. So let's try shift A. There we go, we're getting in the right direction here. And we want 7.5. All right, so we're going to, let's go ahead and adjust our let's make it 2%. All righty, so let's do shift A, let's go, maybe we should go down. Turn the circuit on first, and let's go down. And we need 7.5, and I'm going to call that good, 7.6. So good. What we have, this is biased, and this 7.6 volts is going to be our midpoint. So let's check our voltage on the base. So let's turn this off and let's grab a voltage probe. And we have 2.53 volts on our base. So let's do a few little calculations here. So VCE we measured at 7.6, so this is 7.6. And IC at that point is going to be 7.6 over our 4K ohms. So I come up with 1.9 milliamps. So we're going to go and plot our load line. Okay, so let's plot our load line. So we've got 3.75. And 15 volts is our VCC. And let's go ahead and draw a line. Good. So let's go ahead and plot our Q point. So we've got 7.6 right around there. And we've got 1.9 and there's our Q point. One side or the other. So let's go ahead and start it. And good. So let's go ahead and make this up 2 volts. Let's see what we got. Oops. Yeah, let's keep them the same. Alrighty, let's spread it out. And let's do a single sequence. So we have yellow in, blue out. And it appears that we have a gain. Let's go ahead and measure it. Channel 1, we're going to do peak to peak. About 1 volt. Channel 2, peak to peak. So we have a little less than a gain of 2. Okay. Reasonable. how much improvement, if any, we have with our swamping resistor. And it's a significant improvement. And our gain is now almost 7. So there's a significant improvement with our swamping resistor. And fortunately, it doesn't look clipped. Looks good. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to change our swamping resistor and see if we could increase the gain to a point that it doesn't affect the clipping of the signal. So we want to make sure that we get gain. And there we have lots of gain, but we have, so let's go ahead and go the other way. That's a little bit clipped, but let's see what we got. So now we have close to a gain of 8. So now what we're going to do is we're going to try to run it to clipping and see if we could move it with our base current here. So let's just hit B, see if we could get it clipped a little bit, and let's drop this down. And let's see if I move this A, will we center it? No, actually I'm making it worse in that direction. So let's go Shift A. And that's also bad. So let's go back to A. Alright, so let's see if we can move our swamping resistor and see if we could get rid of some of that clipping. Try the other way. And let's go down a little bit. Yeah, that's a little clip, but we're getting almost 9.5 gain. Little distortion at the top, but we did get a little more out of it.